morning students. Today we will discuss about patterns. Patterns means following or repeating a design or sequence. So what is pattern? When figures like in this way. Any type of figure is there. Figures, shapes in this way, objects, etc. are arranged in a particular order and repeated over and over again, means repeating a sequence, that is called pattern. Now some example I will give you here. Like I have this figure. Now in front of it these are incomplete figures and we have to complete it by following these steps. Okay, so we have to match this figure with this complete figure. Two dots are here. So what is incomplete here? Now it is completing. Very good. Now we have to complete this now. What is incomplete line here? Match with it. Outside line. Now it's closed figure. Now what is left here? This is left here. So we will draw this. And what is in last figure? Match with it. This line is not there. So we will draw this outline here. Then it will be completed. Look here. Now all are looking complete figures. In this way we have to complete all figures by following first. Now we will complete this pattern. What is given here? Circle, rectangle, circle. When you will speak, now you will find out that which pattern will come in next step. Circle, rectangle, circle. Now what will come here? Rectangle. Then next, circle, rectangle, circle, rectangle. What will come here? Circle. In this way we have to complete this pattern. Now look here. A, B, B, A, C, C. Now what you can see here? These first letters are same in each step, but second and third letters are changing there. Okay. Second and third letter is B, B. Means one letter is repeating again in second and third step. C, C. Now what is next letter after C, C? Firstly we will write same letter A, A, A. Now B, B, C, C, D, D. And what will be the fourth? A, D after E comes. So we will write here A, E, E. In this way you can complete the pattern. Now I will show you how to complete the pattern in numbers. Now look at the pattern of this number. Which numbers are given here? 46, 48, 50. Now you can see here what is happening here. These numbers are increasing step by step. How much distance between them? How much step is it is increasing in per step? 46 after 48. So 46 after 47, 48. So two steps. It means we have to plus 2 number. Okay. Again 48 plus 2. We are getting 50. Now we have to plus again 50 plus 2. Which number will come here? 52. Now in 52 you have to plus again 2. In this way you have to complete the pattern. Now look here. 99, 98, 97. These numbers are increasing or decreasing? These are decreasing. So these are decreasing. 99, go back one step back. 99 back, 98 comes. So there is minus 1, then we are getting 98. Now from 98 we have to minus 1 again, we are getting 97. Now again in 97 you have to minus 1 to repeat the pattern. 96. Now again you have to minus 1. Which number you will get here? 25. In this way you have to complete the pattern in numbers. Now look here, these figures. Here are some dots are given and you have to join these dots and complete these figures. What is here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In 6 dots, there are 2 squares are made by joining them. From this dot to this dot, they are making here 2 squares. Now from here to here, and now look here, there is the gap also. Now again they are making by joining dots these 2 squares. Now what we have to do? We have to join these squares from here. No, because they are leaving gap between these dots. So we have to give the gap again here and we have to start joining these dots to make the square in this way. And again we will not give the gap. Now these figures are completed by joining dots. Now in this way you have to solve the book exercise by following the PDF and checking the pattern. Okay students, thank you.